to Mercedes-Benz Berwick, a destination where excellence meets distinction. Step into our state-of-the-art showroom, home to one of only 3 AMG performance centres in Victoria, alongside our electric vehicle centre. With Melbourne's largest demonstrator display and hundreds of vehicles ready for immediate delivery, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of automotive luxury where choice knows no bounds. Explore our expansive 20,000 square metre Mercedes-Benz Supersite. Here you'll find dedicated indoor showrooms for our certified pre-owned and commercial vehicles. Plus, take advantage of our team of dedicated business managers and enjoy fast, seamless and same-day finance approvals. When you visit our service centre, genuine customer care takes precedence, which means you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that our team are dedicated to keeping your Mercedes-Benz performing at its peak. As a family-owned and operated business, conveniently located just 24 minutes from the Burnley Tunnel, why settle for anything less than the best? So experience the extraordinary and visit the award-winning team at Mercedes-Benz Berwick today. We look forward to welcoming you.